Hey everyone, today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first, what is an LLC or limited liability company? So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So this is the homepage. As you can see, all I have to do is dive into busy.com, as you can see. So we have here various information, but if you want to start, all I have to do is click over from for your free LLC now. So we have here the home page. You have just to choose entity type here. Of course, you'll choose LLC, and about state you will choose Texas, of course. Then if we scroll down, we have here three packages. As you can see, the first one we have the basic. It's for free here, but you have to pay $300 state free 4 weeks here, and we have various things. The first one, we have prepared and found the articles of organizations, and we have free first year registered agent service, and then we have online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation. About the second package, we have here standard. It's for $199 plus $300 for state fee, and it's 4 weeks. As you can see, we have the same thing here, and then we have here the same thing also, but we have business tax number, we have operating agreement, and we have here lifetime compliance alerts and a limited phone and email support, and also we have here ARS form 2553. And about the last one, we have the last package, it's premium. So it's for $299 and plus $300 of state fee, and it's for 2 days. We have here expedited filing business contract also, and we have also domain name plus business email, and we have the same thing here. So to get started, all I have to do is choose one of these packages, then you click over get started. So right now in company information, you have just to write your LLC name. For example, let's write Mike, for example, and you will choose a designator. So you select the one you want. So of course we will choose LLC, and then you click over next. Then we have the next page, it's state fill and time. So we have just to read these things. The typically state fill and time for Texas is 4 weeks, and then you will choose if you want this one. We have 2 business days full time, but you have to pay $50, and we have here 4 weeks full time, and it's for free. Of course I will choose the second one, so you guys will choose the one you want or the one you need. And then we have the contact person. You have to write your personal information, and then you click over next. Then we have here the other page, it's company address information. So you have just to read this information or these guidelines, then you will choose if you want privacy one, and we have here the professional business address and virtual mail service. Then we have the second one, it's use my own address. So about the first one here, we have it's $29 per month, and we have the second one, it's for free. So let's choose the second one. Then we have here company address. You have to write your street address, your city, your state, your zip code. Then you click over next. Then you have to click over use enter it. Then we have the next page, it's premium service package. So we have just to read these things, and we have to pay $149 for package total. Then you click over get limited time. Then you have right now in the next page to provide members information for Mike LLC. So Mike LLC, it's mine. Then I will choose one. Then of course it's individual, so you write this information, then you click over next. After that, you have to read this registered agent information, then you choose if you want to assign Busy as my registered agent free for 1 year, or you have to I would like to act as my own registered agent, then you write your personal information and you click over next. Then we have here tax identification number information. So we have the first one, I'm a foreign individual and not have a social security number. So I will click over yes, then you click over I agree. Then you write your personal information like physical street address, and we have here tax identification number information. After that, you have just to click over next. You click over next. Then we have setting up small business banking. So you have just to read this information, then you have to click over yes, I am interested. After that, we have here tax strategy and free consultation. You have just to read these things, what you will learn, how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper, commonly missed tax litigation. So you click over the first one and you click over next. Then we have here the next page business licenses and permits. So you read this information and you have just to choose if you want this one or this one. But the issue in this one you have to pay $99. Then you click over next. We have here order summary 4. So you have to edit or you have to modify your personal information like contact info if something gets wrong here or something gets fault. You have just to edit it or you have to modify it. Like we have agent info, company address and contact address, and the last one we have member info and tax info. Then you click over next. Then we have the last thing, it's billing information. So about these things, you have just to choose if you want PayPal or credit card, and you write your personal information like credit card information and card number, billing address also, as we already did. Then we have to read these things to more understand about how it works with Busy, like what is the cancellation policy of my order, for my order, sorry, then other things. So right now you have to click over I agree into the legal statement and cancellation policy, and you click over complete and pay. And that's it. What is how it works, sorry, with Busy. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it can be. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comment section down below, and I will be happy to help. And have a fantastic day ahead. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.